I'm going to explain how air conditioning works in a way that you can actually understand. But first I want to touch on two kind of fundamental concepts. One is the second law of thermodynamics, which is actually way less complicated than it sounds. And what it says is that heat molecules want to move from a warmer body to a cooler body. That's the direction the temperature flows, okay? One. And two, what I want to talk about is the relationship between pressure and temperature. So just a fundamental rule to know is that when we increase pressure, we increase temperature, and when we depressurize or decrease pressure, temperature goes down. Okay, so let's talk about the system. This is the exterior portion of the AC system, and we have an interior unit inside that has evaporator coils and a fan. Now let's pretend that it's a hot day, the air outside is warm, the air inside is warm, and you want cool air in your house, right? You flip on your AC, and what happens is that outside in this system, we have a substance called refrigerant. Now what's great about refrigerant is that it has a really low boiling point, and the temperature easily goes way up or way down just by increasing and decreasing the pressure a little bit. So inside of this unit, the refrigerant will pass through something called an expansion valve that will depressurize it. It'll experience a phase change. It'll turn into a vapor, and it'll be really cool because we have that low pressure, so we have that low temp. Okay. Now that super cool refrigerant travels through a line set into the interior unit through those coils, the evaporator coils. Inside, and the fan blows the warm inside air across those coils, and because the inside air is warm, the refrigerant's cool, the heat travels from the air to the refrigerant, and now the air has cooled down and the fan blows that cool air throughout your house. Now that refrigerant has warmed up, it's experienced another phase change, and it travels back to the exterior unit and it expels that heat. That's why when your AC is on, you can often feel heat coming out of the back of it because it's taking the heat from outside or inside and putting it outside. That in a nutshell is how AC works.